Hello guys, how are you? Yeah, day 3 vlogs is coming today. Yeah, because the reason I didn't vlog the other days is because I didn't feel very well, like my picture young and stuff. But I feel a little bit better. So today I'm not doing it, just chilling. So yeah, I'll release the video today. I'm still editing. My phone. See, I was editing on the laptop, so I transferred the videos here, the video here in my phone. Oh, my bad. Just me. I was still editing in the laptop, so the audios that I wanted was on TikTok, so I transferred the videos that I already see. Still editing, and it's a lot.
So guys, you don't subscribe me. I didn't see you subscribe me.
So it's still a lot to do. Yeah, but you'll see the video today. Maybe the time will be 7 or the latest 8. Yeah. So yeah. And the weather is a little bit. I just wanted to update that. Thank you.